Okay, so we'd like to do 65 from 10.5, which is b to the 3/5 minus c to the 5/3, the quantity times the quantity b to the 3/5 plus c to the 5/3. What's up, Jennifer? Did I dork something?
No.
Okay, so first steps first, thanks. FOIL, right?
No.
No. Yes.
No.
Why do you need to FOIL?
Because it's too much work. I already know what it is.
You don't already know what it is. You
I
need to
already
FOIL.
know what it is.
Why?
Yeah, it's a difference of squares.
Oh, that's a really good idea. You guys see that? So you can think about this as a factor difference of squares,
How many times?
but if you don't see it, you gotta FOIL.
Oh.
You guys see that? So if you personally didn't see the difference of squares right off the bat, you best be ready to FOIL, because that's the way you're gonna get it. If you see it, great, awesome. You see the cross terms are gonna cancel, you don't have to write them down.
Yeah, being.
If you don't see it, gotta FOIL. So I think some of you didn't see it, so let's FOIL.
Does spoiling make it hard?
No, it's not harder.
Is it just one?
I just noticed that something canceled before I FOILed. Right? That's what the difference of squares. So let me see. What are the firsts here? Good. You guys are getting good at this. So we just need to write down the firsts, right? They're just this thing times that thing. Don't try to simplify at this stage. Don't do anything, right? Just write the first thing times the first thing. Okay, then what do I do? Okay, FOIL spelled F-O. Okay, so let's see, I need the outsides for FOILing, but I don't care how you spell FOIL. So that's these guys. So I should add b to the 3/5 times c to the 5/3. Right? So here this is firsts. This is outsides. Then what? What's the insides? Times b to the 3/5. Okay, so that's the insides. And then what? Okay, there's a minus c to the 5/3 times positive c to the 5/3. Okay. Okay, I'll get this. Okay, so we FOILed. Now what? Oh yeah, now the middle parts cancel, right? This thing and this thing are the same, but with opposite signs, and I'm adding them together. This is the, oh, look, it's a difference of squares. Those guys will cancel. That's an additive cancel, right? Not a multiplicative one. So what am I left with? Yeah, those add to 0. And then there's what? Okay, so there's two ways to think, right? This is b to the 5/3 times itself. So that's b to the 5/3 squared. Sorry, 3/5, thank you. b to the 3/5 squared, or it's b to the 3/5 times b to the 3/5. Either way, you're going to get b to the 6/5, right? Does that make sense that that works either way? Should, right? And then there's, let's see, how many c's have I got? Yeah, there's 10/3 c's. Cool. I don't like those. Yeah, FOILing's scary. Sure. Yeah, we can look at it as difference of squares. So if we look at it as difference of squares, we could just say, okay, this is factor difference of squares. So that would be b to the 3/5 squared minus c to the 5/3 squared. Oh, and that's this thing. Okay, see that? It's very clever to spot difference of squares there.
I spotted that.
Good. Cool. So should we take 5 minutes? Okay, let's take 5 minutes, guys.